Good evening, guys, and thank you so very much for reaching out to me, guys. Today one of my subscribers reached out to me asking if I could do a video showing how to peel and prepare some tropical fruits, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do into this video, guys, I am going to show you 3 tropical fruits that I'm going to be preparing. I am going to be preparing, show you how to prepare a pineapple, a mango, and a papaya, guys. And this is what the papaya looks like, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to prepare the papaya and the pineapple and the apple, guys. Okay, so first of all, what you wanted to do, guys, you wanted to go ahead and wash your papaya thoroughly, guys. Make sure you always wash your fruits before you peel and cut up. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and you're going to wash your fruits, which I already did. So what I'm going to do next, guys, this is a papaya, and a papaya, inside of the papaya, there's a bunch of little seeds there, guys, so you wanted to remove those seeds. So get to the seed, guys, what I always do, I go ahead and I cut the bottom of the papaya off, just like that. I remove the bottom of the papaya, and I will remove the head of the papaya, just like that, guys. Okay? I will place my papaya to sit like that, and I will go and peel the papaya around. You're going to go ahead and you're going to peel the papaya, guys. You're going to turn it as you peel it, just like that, guys. Okay, you're going to go ahead, you're going to keep turning the papaya until all of the skin is removed from the papaya, guys. Okay? I'm going to continue to peel my papaya until I remove all of my skin from the papaya. And this is a tropical fruit, guys. You will mostly find this in the Caribbean. And you can find this at any grocery store, guys, or any Asian supermarket. You can find this, guys. Mostly in the summertime. Okay, guys, so I already removed all of the skin from my papaya, guys. There you have it. I already removed it. So now I am going to go ahead and show you how to remove the seed from the papaya, guys. So what you're going to do now, guys, you're going to go ahead and you're going to cut your papaya right down to the middle into half, just like that. See that? And those are your seeds into the papaya. This papaya, guys, doesn't have a lot of seed, which is good. So you're going to take a spoon and you're going to hold your papayas like that, guys, and you're going to take a spoon and just remove all of the seeds like that, guys, from the papaya. Okay? You're going to remove all of your seeds. And this is a very nice ripe papaya, guys. You're going to take your spoon again, guys, and you're just going to scoop all of the seeds out from the papaya. Okay? Okay, guys, so now I went ahead and I scooped all of the seeds out from the papaya. This one still has a few in the corner here. Okay, so there you have it, guys. The seeds from the papaya is already scooped out. Still have a little piece of skin here I'm going to remove. Okay, so there you have it, guys. I scooped out, I peeled my papaya, and I scooped all of the seeds out. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut my papayas. And this, guys, you could go ahead and you could put it into a Ziploc freezer bag, and you could freeze this, guys, whenever you're ready to make your smoothies, your drinks or anything. You just go ahead and take it out and you can eat that. So I'm going to cut down into my papayas here, give it a nice chunk, and you can eat this just like this, guys. Always make sure to get a nice ripe papaya, guys. And I do have another video on my channel there, guys, which I explain all the benefits that a papaya have. So you can go ahead and check that out. I am going to link it onto this video, guys. And there you have it, guys. That's how you peel and slice your papaya. Still have a little skin here I'm going to remove. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place this into a dish. Always make sure to wash your fruits, guys, before you peel it. Always make sure to wash your fruits. You can wash your fruits with a little bit of salt and water, or you can also wash it with some baking soda. But always remember to wash your fruits before you peel it. Okay, guys, so there you have it. Your nicely peeled, cut papaya, guys. There you have it. Okay, guys, so the first thing you're going to do before you peel your pineapple, you're going to go ahead and wash your pineapple. So what I do, I have a little brush here, guys, that I go ahead and I put my pineapple under the water and I will brush my pineapple until all of the particles and the sands and whatever it have on it, guys, it's off of it before I start peeling my pineapple, guys. Okay, so that's the first thing I am going to do. I am going to go ahead and wash the skin of the outside of my pineapple with this little brush, guys. Okay, so that's the first thing I am going to do, so bear with me. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and I washed my pineapple. So now I am going to go ahead and show you how to start preparing the pineapple. So the first thing you're going to do, guys, you're going to make sure you have a very sharp knife. And the first thing you're going to do is remove the top of the pineapple and the bottom of the pineapple, guys. So you're going to lay your pineapple just like that. And you will cut it to the top of the pineapple. And you will take the head of the pineapple off, guys, okay? Just like that. You're going to cut it out. And you're going to put that aside. Then, you're going to go to the bottom of the pineapple and you're going to cut that out too. Just like that. Okay? Now, you're going to put your pineapple to sit like that, which it sits evenly, guys. And you're going to take your knife and you're going to go ahead and start peeling your pineapple like that, guys. Okay? You're going to start peeling your pineapple. And don't worry about the little eyes in the pineapple, guys. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to take that out, okay? But that's how you peel, that's how you go ahead and start peeling your pineapple. So you will not throw away the skin, guys. It's really, you could really make a pineapple drink with your skin, guys. And I do have a video that shows you how to make a delicious, delicious pineapple drink with your skin. So never throw the skin out, guys, okay? So you're going to go ahead and you're going to continue to peel your pineapple. You're going to go around the pineapple and take the skin off, guys. Just like that. You're going to keep turning your pineapple and keep removing the skin. Okay, guys. So, there's the pineapple. I remove all of the skin. So now all these little eyes that you're going to see on the pineapple, guys, all you're going to do is go ahead and take your knife and very lightly you're going to remove that, guys. See? And you're going to keep turning it. And very thinly, guys, you're just going to remove those eyes from the pineapple there. Until all of it is removed. Okay, guys, so there you have it. My pineapple is completely peeled. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to cut the pineapple now, guys. I am going to put this aside, guys, because I'm going to go ahead and make a pineapple drink with my skin, which I do have a video and I will link it to this video, guys. So I will go ahead and put that aside. Okay, guys, so there's the pineapple. So now to clean, to cut your pineapple, what I will do, there is a hard part of the pineapple here, guys, okay? You don't want to eat that. That's very hard. So what you'll do, you'll go ahead and you're going to give the pineapple a slice right down to the bottom. And you're going to leave that hard spot there, guys, okay? So you're going to go around that and you're going to cut your pineapple slices like that. there you have it, guys. This is the hard part of the pineapple that sits in the middle. So I'm not going to throw this out, guys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it aside with the skin, and I'm going to boil this to make the pineapple drink. Okay, guys, so here you have it now. The pineapple's been sliced. So there you have your pineapple here, guys. So now you could go ahead and cut this up into any size pieces you like, guys. You could freeze this. You could make your juice with this. You could eat it just like this, guys. So go ahead and cut your pineapple, guys, and that's how you peel your pineapple, guys. So most of the time, guys, I will go ahead and I will buy my pineapple from the store, and I will peel my pineapple, cut it up, and freeze it, guys. Put it into my freezer, and whenever I'm ready to make my smoothies or my juice, guys, I will take it out of my freezer, and that's what I'll make my pineapple with, guys. My smoothies with. Okay, so you go ahead and you cut it up. And you're going to put this into your dish. And there you have it, guys, your freshly peeled pineapple. There you have it. So I am going to go ahead in this video, guys, and I am going to show you how to peel a mango. So these are my mango, guys. For some of us who don't know what a mango looks like, this is what a mango looks. There's several different types of mangoes, guys, but this is one version of a mango, okay? So these are my mangoes that I have here. So I am going to go ahead and I am going to show you how to peel a mango, guys. And there's several different ways on how to peel a mango. So one of the ways that I peel my mango, guys, what I will do, I will go ahead and I will cut the top of the mango, guys, the head of the mango, just like that. And I will go around the mangoes like that, and I will continue. Sometimes it goes around, sometimes it doesn't. So I will continue to peel my mangoes, or you could go down the mangoes like this, guys, and peel it this way too. Okay? So this is one of the ways how to peel a mango, guys. And this is a beautiful mango I have here. So you're going to continue just like you will peel a potato, guys. Okay? And this is how you peel the mango, guys. Just like the way you will peel a potato. And always make sure, guys, when you get your mangoes, always make sure that your mangoes don't have any bruises on it, because then sometimes when you cut into the mangoes, you will find these brown spots, guys. Okay, so my mango is completely peeled here, guys. So that's how you peel a mango. Now, I am going to go ahead and I am going to show you how to cut your mangoes, guys. Okay, into the mango, guys, there's a hard seed in the middle of the mangoes. So the seed is sitting right there, guys. So what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and you're going to take your knife, and you're not going to put it, you're going to put it as close as possible to the seed, or you're going to let your mango sit like this, guys, on your board, and you're going to go ahead and slice down the mango, guys, just like that. And that's how you slice into your mango. And you're going to go around the mangoes, and you're going to keep slicing down into the mango, guys. And if there's for some reason you're hitting the seed, all you have to do is remove your knife and just go a little lighter into the mango. Okay? So you're going to go around the mango, guys, and this is how you're going to slice your mangoes or cut into your mangoes. This is one way, guys. There are several different ways to cut into your mangoes, guys. And I will show you a few different ways. Okay? So that is the seed of the mango, guys. So you don't want that. That is the seed of the mango. So you're going to put that aside. And on this part here, guys, I get a little piece of seed into the mango. That is okay. You don't have to worry about that. All you do, you go ahead and you cut that out. Okay? And here you have it, guys. Your mango. Here you have it. So now you could go ahead and you could cut this as small as you like or as large as you like for your fruit salad. You could put this into smoothies. You could also go ahead and freeze this, guys. It's very good freezing. Whenever you have a lot of mangoes, you could go ahead and peel your mangoes and freeze them, guys. It's so good for smoothies and for making mango drinks. I will show you in another video, guys, how to go ahead and make a local mango drink, guys. I'm going to cut up my mangoes here. And there you have it, guys. My mango is washed, peeled, and cut up. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place this into a dish, guys. I have my airtight dish here, guys. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place my mangoes. And if you're going to eat this later into the week, guys, you can put it into an airtight dish. Or if you're not going to eat it, you could just go ahead and put it in a Ziploc freezer bag, guys, and freeze your mango. Okay, so there you have it. Your sliced, peeled mangoes, guys. There you have it. Now I am going to go ahead and show you another way how to get your mango peeled, guys. Okay, so this is another way, guys. So this is your mango that you have here. What you're going to do, the same way, you're going to put your mango to sit there, and you're going to go ahead and slice the mango down like that until it hit that seed at the middle, guys, okay? You're going to slice down into your mango. Okay? There you have it. So this is your mango, guys. So what you're going to do, the skin is still on the mango. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to slice down like that very carefully into the mangoes. Just like that, guys. Okay? And there you have it. And you're going to break it apart like that, guys. And there you have it. And you can go ahead and just scoop the mangoes out, guys. Just like that. You could go ahead and scoop them out with a fork, or you could even bend your mangoes like that and eat the mangoes, guys. That's another way on how to get your mangoes peeled, guys. So you're going to leave the skin on, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to give it a little slice down into the middle here. Just like that. You're going to take your mangoes and you're going to pull it apart like that. There you have it. And now you could go ahead and you could eat your mangoes, guys. So that's another way how to eat your mangoes, guys, okay? So there you have it, guys. 3 tropical fruits that I went ahead and show you how to prepare. You have your pineapple, you have your papaya, and you have your mangoes, guys. There you have it. 3 tropical fruits, guys. There you have it. And like I said, guys, you could go ahead and freeze this in a nice freezer bag. You could go ahead and freeze this, guys. Or you could go ahead and eat this just like that, guys. And these are very good for smoothies. They're very good for juicing, for dieting, guys. So there you have it. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all your likes and share on my video, guys. On the right hand corner, there's a notification bell, guys. Please go ahead and click on that so you will not miss out on any of my videos. And for my subscriber that reached out to me asking me to do a video showing how to peel and prepare a few tropical fruits, there you have it. I prepared pineapple, mangoes, and papaya, guys. So there you have it.